Hi, today I want to show you how to implement the DFAM as a kick and sub bass combo in an Ableton project. This project, for example, is more hypnotic techno and it's not finished yet, but I want to show it to you and explain it a little bit. As you can hear, it's still in the looping section, so I haven't an arrangement yet. But what I have is the DFAM as the low end. So it is this here. And before I explain it a little further, I want to quickly show you the other elements. So the synth voices are from the quadranted swarm. It's this one here. Then we have another one. And in this one, for example, I like the atmosphere a lot. Yeah. Then we have the heads. So I have a head from Flechtwerk. Here I use the Euclidean Sequencer Pro, like I use the Euclidean circles in my Eurorack system. And the last one is just a sample. Okay, now we come to the kick and sub combination. I made it entirely with the DFAM, except this high transient. To give it a little bit more, more character, yeah. The DFAM kick, we can hear it without the effects. Oh, it is actually. I turned it off, but now it's on. Okay, so we hear everything again with the effects on, but it's not so much. So I can show you the on-off comparison. So it's very subtle. A little bit of high cut. And also was interesting, I wanted to give it a little bit more live, so I used an automation on the kick and I used the bits section. And if the bits are lower, then you hear a little bit more high end, so a little crunch. And I want it only sometimes, so I can show you, for example, how it sounds when you turn the crunch effect a little bit higher. Okay, now it's extreme, but we don't want it that way. Only a slight change, yeah? Okay. Now we hear it once again for, in its whole entirety. And then we come to the sub. And for the sub, like I said before, I use the DFAM, the triangle wave, and I turned the pitch in that way that the pitch goes from a low note to a high note. so it goes up every time it triggers. And of course it plays in between, so the kick comes, then the sub, then kick and sub. Very simple. I like this combination, yeah. And then maybe I turn it a little quieter, but I wanted a higher transient on this, so like I showed you this one here. Maybe that way. Yeah, and then the important part I also want to show you is this here, so the send. And it goes to this Corpus plugin. It's for free. It's a Ableton stock plugin. And yeah, they have like a sub bass patch and or sub bass preset, and I changed it a little bit, and yeah, it glues everything together a little bit more, and I like it very much. So let's hear the comparison. Then of course the amp, or I mean, of course is not the right word, but yeah, it's often used for the kick, of course, and it fits perfectly here. Yeah, and that's basically it. I wanted to show you that you can use the DFAM as a kick sub combination, not only for your live sets, but especially also for your Ableton productions, and so you don't need so many other samples. You can do your own kick, and yeah, that's how I did it. So see you in the next video, and if you have questions, of course, then you can ask. So bye.